Hello students, my name is Alok Simwal and in today's lecture I will discuss about structure-activity relationship of diuretics. First is structure-activity relationship of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. Acetazolamide is the most important compound of carbonic anhydrase inhibitors category. Structurally, it is heterocyclic sulfonamide. It has been observed that any substitution at sulfoamyl group abolishes the activity. It denotes that the sulfoamyl group is essential for diuretic activity. Unsubstituted sulfoamyl nitrogen atom is also essential for activity. The moiety to which sulfoamyl group is attached must contain aromatic character, like in this case, thiazole ring is aromatic in nature. Substitution of a methyl group of acetazolamide generates methazolamide, and carbonic anhydrase inhibitory activity retains. Another drug in this category is dichlorphenamide. Structurally, it is meta-disulfamoyl benzene. The parent 1,3-disulfamoyl benzene is inactive, but substituted analog have diuretic activity. Maximum diuretic activity is observed when the position 4 is substituted with Cl, Br, CF3 or NO2 groups. Replacement of the sulfoamyl moiety at position 1 with an electrophilic group like carboxylic acid results in decreased carbonic anhydrase inhibitory activity. It denotes that an unsubstituted sulfoamyl moiety is essential for activity. Next is the structure-activity relationship of thiazides. Chlorothiazide, hydrochlorothiazide, hydrofumethazide, and cyclothiazide are the main drug candidates in this category. All of these drug candidates contain following basic skeleton. In case of thiazides, the position 2 can tolerate the presence of small alkyl groups such as methyl. Substrate at third position determines the potency, duration of action of diuretics. Loss of carbon-carbon double bond between third and fourth positions of nucleus increases diuretic potency approximately 3 to 10-fold. Direct substitution of the position 4, 5, and 8 with an alkyl group usually results in diminished diuretic activity. Position 6 can be substituted with activating group. The best suited substances are electron withdrawing substances such as Cl, Br, CF3 and NO2 groups, while substitution with electron releasing groups such as CS3 results in marked reduction in activity. At last, the sulfoamyl group in the 7th position of the ring is essential for diuretic activity. Removal of this group yields compounds with little or no diuretic activity. Next is the structure-activity relationship of loop diuretics. Loop diuretics are either 5-sulfoamyl 2-aminobenzoic acid or 5-sulfoamyl 3-aminobenzoic acid derivatives. Here first structure is of 5-sulfoamyl 2-aminobenzoic acid and the second one is of 5-sulfoamyl 3-aminobenzoic acid. The substrate at first position must be acidic. The carboxylic group provides optimal activity, but other groups such as tetrazole may have respectable diuretic activity. The position 4 can be substituted with the activating group such as Cl or CF3, a phenoxy, alkoxy, anilino, benzyl or benzoyl. A sulfoamyl group in the 5th position is essential for optimal high-selling diuretic activity. Thank you.